Hello viewers, these next series of videos are going to be in-depth tutorials on how to read and write the Gurmukhi letters, standardized in the 16th century by Guru Angad Dev Ji, the second Guru of the Sikhs. This script is mostly used by Punjabis from India for writing the Punjabi language and is used for the holy scriptures in Sikhism. Now, let's begin with the first line of the Gurmukhi alphabet. We have Uda, Ada, Edi, Sasa and Haha. That's Uda, Ada, Edi, Sasa and Haha. Letter Uda. Uda sounds like the oo sound in the English word suit. That's the oo sound in the English word suit. So, to write an Uda, we simply draw a line from left to right, and then we do a backwards 3 motion, and then we curve it around and then meet it back on the top, like so. It's okay to leave a gap here when handwriting Uda, but you might commonly see the computer typing of the Uda joined to the stem here. So again, it's a backwards 3, curve around and then a meet at the top. One more time, we draw a horizontal line from left to right, a number 3 like shape, and then we curve it around and meet it here. The letter we are going to look at is an Ada. It makes a sound similar to the A sound in the word America, A for America. So to write an Ada, we simply do like a spiraling motion to the bottom right hand side and then draw a stem with a little tail. That's a spiraling motion towards the bottom right, a stem and a little tail to continue a word. One more time, that's a spiraling motion to the bottom right, a stem and a tail. The next letter is an Edi. The next letter is an Edi. The sound an Edi makes is similar to the E sound in the English word heat. That's the English word heat. So to write an Edi, we simply draw a horizontal line, a downwards projection, and then we circle and finish off to fill in that gap to make an Edi. Another way to write this letter, which is also acceptable, is to draw a horizontal line, a semicircle-like shape, and then a tail or a hook below. So either way is acceptable. My personal favorite way is to draw a semicircle and then a hook below, but any way is perfectly fine. Next we have a Sasa. Now the sound a Sasa makes is like any word in the English language which begins with the letter S. So to write a Sasa, we simply draw a horizontal line and this character below. So again, we draw a horizontal line and then a downward projection which hooks to the right, and then a stem to complete the character. I'll draw it one more time, perhaps a little bit neater. There we are, we have a Sasa, a very simple letter to draw. Finally for today, we have a Haha. Now, the sound a Haha makes is like any word in the English language which begins with the letter H. So to write a Haha, we simply draw a horizontal line and it literally just hooks and then comes around here. Be extra careful to make sure that this does not join this stem here. Otherwise, it will look like another letter in the Gurmukhi alphabet, the alphabet Rara, which is not related to Haha at all, and therefore extra care should be taken when we write a Haha to not join this to the stem here. The gap here is essential. Now, one more time, we draw a line above, and then we just draw a hook like that, taking extra precaution not to join this here. For a quick test, so let's begin by writing this letter. I'll give you a bit of time to guess. You can even pause the video and resume playing after you think you know what it is. Yes, it is in fact a Sasa. Now we'll do the same for this letter. Any guesses? Yep, it's an Ara. And now this letter. Yep, it's an Iri. Now for this letter, I'll give you a clue. It's the first letter in the alphabet. Yep, it's an Ura. And now finally, this letter. It's the one I want extra care to not join here. And it's in fact a haha. So it's essential that you repeat these letters continuously on any lined piece of paper, and you continually repeat and cover the letters if you have to, and recall them from memory. The key to learning any alphabet is repetition and repetition continuously till you know and are able to recognize each letter and what sound it makes. In my next video, we'll be looking at the gutturals. That's the second line of the Gurmukhi alphabet, and guttural simply means letter which comes from the back of your mouth, and this will be the subject of my next video. As for now, thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.